Hi, welcome back to another episode in this series about SRCC. I hope all of you have watched the last two videos जिसमें हमने SRCC की जर्नी के बारे में, कोर्सेज और एडमिशंस के बारे में बात किया था. Today, I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, and I'm sure each of you youngsters will definitely love hearing about this. Yes, I'm going to talk about placements at SRCC. प्लेसमेंट्स एक ऐसी क्राइटेरिया है जो हर कोई देखता है व्हेन इट कम्स टू कॉलेज एडमिशंस एंड व्हाई नॉट इट हैज टू बी आफ्टर ऑल व्हेन यू स्पेंड योर 3 years 4 years 5 years as the case may be in a college you're also looking for some sort of returns in terms of remuneration. How good is the remuneration, how good is the placement of a college also determines the standing of the college. तो जब लोग बात करते हैं किसी भी कॉलेज की रैंकिंग्स की उसके बारे में उसके डिटेल्स के बारे में प्लेसमेंट डेफिनेटली एक क्राइटेरिया होता है. So today in this video I'm going to talk about placements at SRCC. What has been the scenario in 2021? Now placement at SRCC is nothing new. वहां पे ये नई बात नहीं है. इनफैक्ट इफ यू रिमेंबर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वीडियो जो प्लेसमेंट सेल है एसआरसीसी का दैट स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर 1996 when many colleges were still not even thinking about having an active placement cell. SRCC went ahead to start this in late 90s itself. And if you look at the statistics, you will be mesmerized to know how graduate students from SRCC are becoming attraction of the top recruiters in the country. So if you look at the placement scenario of 2021, the gross value of the overall placements in the first phase was close to 13.1 crores. There were a total of 22 pre-placement offers made, which means these students got the opportunity even before the placement season started. How good that is. इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है कि you do not need to worry about sitting for a placement interview, but because you have worked with a company earlier, because you have been there for internships, and they value your they value your presence in the company, the contribution you made during the internships, they are very keen to have you on board. और बहुत सारी कंपनी स्टूडेंट्स को पीपीओ ऑफर करती हैं एंड इफ यू लुक एट एसआरसीसी क्लोज टू 22 ऑफ देम गॉट द पीपीओस लास्ट ईयर. More than 100 recruiters offered 350 plus offers. Recruitment is definitely not a big concern as far as the placements at SRCC is concerned. So बहुत सारे recruiters हैं, more than 100 recruiters which came to the campus and they made more than 350 offers to the students out there in SRCC. If you talk about the placements and talking about the companies, look at the names. And I'm sure you'll not be surprised looking at these names. If you talk about consulting, if you talk about finance, you talk about insurance, you talk about any field, you will have the big names present at SRCC campus. So whether it is Boston Consulting, whether it is Nomura, or you talk about McKinsey, you talk about A.T. Kearney. In the finance world, if you are talking about ICICI, SDFC, the biggest banks of the country, all of them are the regular recruiters from the Sri Ram College of Commerce. And internships here are no different. If you look at the internships for the phase one of 2020-21, you'll realize the highest stipend was close to 1.5 lakh per month. Most of the postgraduate colleges are not even able to attract that kind of stipend for their internships for their students. The average stipend was close to 34,000 per month. And this phase saw an increase as compared to the last year, increase in the number of offers to the extent of 142%. Imagine that number. So, despite the COVID situation, despite the pandemic, uncertainties around it, SRCC managed to get its students not just internships but final placements, and that too better than the previous year. Similar to the placement scenario, the internships also attract the bigger companies in the in their respective domains. So you even have SBI, which is a state-owned bank, coming for internships at SRCC. The big names, KPMG, American Express, Ernst and Young, they are all regular recruiters and they are all regular companies which provide internship opportunities to the SRCC students. So it is important to understand that when it comes to placement, there is no match as far as SRCC is concerned. It's one of the finest colleges, not only under Delhi University, but across all the central universities in the country. I hope you remember how the admissions to the SRCC will now be happening. So please watch out this space. Please do follow us for the CUCET examination, which is going to start from 2022 itself. That's your window of getting admissions to colleges like SRCC and other colleges of Delhi University and central universities in the country.